I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. You better believe it, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. Get that understood.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Amina Mahogany back again for another video. So today I am coming to you with African print turbans and headbands from Loza Tam. Loza Tam is an African hair bonnet, turban, headband, skincare, and hair bun making company. All their products are handmade by women entrepreneurs in Ghana, and everything you order can be shipped to the US or worldwide. They are satin lined. Everything that they have for the head is satin lined, which is really good for me because I have type 4 hair. I mean, it's good for hair period because cotton tends to disrupt the moisture in the hair and cause breakage and split ends. So the fact that these turbans and headbands are satin lined is perfect for me, especially during the cold months. So I'm going to be showing you the 3 products that I have from Loza Tam, and if you like these 3 products that I have, you can use my code Amina M for 10% off of your purchase. So let's get started. As you can see, I have jumbo box braids in my head right now, so I'm just gonna take them out of the knot that they are in. You know what, actually I'm gonna leave them in this knot and then I'll put on the headband. So this is the headband that I have. It is called the Bluegreen geometric print headband, and as you can see, it's satin lined in the front where most of your hair will be. I kind of wish it was satin lined back here as well, but you know, I understand that they may be hard for production. And then you can see the Loza Tam tag right here, and it does say made in Ghana, so you're getting it directly from the source. Very pretty on the inside and on the outside. So let's go ahead and put this on our head. Okay, so if you have individual braids of some sort, excuse my edges, they are not laid, but that's okay. If you have some type of braids or some sort that are chunky and that take up a lot of mass on your head, here's one way to wear the headband. This is one way you can wear it. I will show you one more way to wear this headband with this type of hairstyle, and you can also do this with your hair if it's in its curly or straight form. Okay, now this is another way you can wear your headband if you want, just simple like this. I think this is really pretty, especially it's like a minimalistic type of look. There's a lot of your hair, so like on a day where you're really busy and you just want to throw your hair back and have it out of your face and out of the way, no complications at all, this is a good way to keep your hair back out of your face, safe and protected. Okay, so there's gonna be one more way that I show you how to wear this headband. So you can also wear the headband in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys can see what it looks like back there. So, yep, you can definitely wear this headband lots of different ways. If you wanted to put your hair up in like a bun or something, wear it like that, you could do that. There's a lot of ways that you can make this headband versatile and work for you. So let's move on to one of the turbans. Okay, so this is the green satin lined turban, and you see they call it a turban because there is a knot that's already made for you at the front. The inside, of course, is satin lined as well, just like the headband. So that is definitely a pro of this. it's definitely something that you can wear on days where your hair isn't done. You need to just look cute and go, throw something on your head. In the winter months, if you don't like hats, this is a cute accessory that will also cover your ears like a hat and give you some warmth like a hat, but is more fashionable than a typical beanie or winter hat. So this is the green turban on. You can adjust it to your liking. It is kind of tight, but I mean, I guess that's good if your hair isn't done and you need to keep it out of sight as much as possible. It will go all the way down for you to cover your ears, or you can have it up slightly. It's really whatever your choice and your desire is. So this is the green satin lined turban. And this is kind of the only way that I found to wear this. I will be playing around with them some more and figuring out if there are different ways to wear this, but this is one of the ways that you can definitely wear this and still be fashionable. All the turbans and the headbands come with the stretchy material in the back. I don't really, this helps a lot when trying to stretch over, like if you have big hair, but if you have a larger head, these might be tight on you, and that's the only con I have, is that there's not a lot of room for the actual product to stretch, but they do have an elastic band that does stretch. So the only con with these turbans and head wraps and headbands is that there's not a lot of room if you have a larger head. But we'll go ahead and put this one on and I can show you how it looks. And just like the other products, it does have the satin lining on the inside, which I forgot to show you, but now I can actually put it on. Okay, so this is the rainbow African print turban on. I'll spin around so you guys can see what it looks like. I do find that this fits a little bit different from the green satin line turban that I have. It has a lot of like extra fabric, and I'm guessing that can help you if you have like a bun or a puff or something under here. But since I'm wearing it flat, on a flat hairstyle, I can just tuck that extra fabric in, and then there we go. Beautiful as always. So this is the last turban that I have. This is my favorite run. I also wear the geometric blue-green headband a lot. They do have sweatbands for working out. That is a new product that they have that was released on their site. So if you want a sweatband for working out, a turban for just going out and covering up whatever you need to hide or just looking beautiful, or a headband or a bonnet, because they do have bonnets for bedtime that are satin lined and they're really cute. So if you need something like that, just head on over to Loza Tam and use my code Amina M for 10% off of your entire purchase. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but I do have a code with them. I love their turbans and their headbands, and I will be buying many more in the future. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you on Friday for the next video. Peace, love, and blessings to all of you.